Good day, Art Savings. The following videos are some of my students here, and ang iba sa kanila ay napiplay na din dito sa church, other church na kanilang sinakasakupan. And yes, di naman talaga boring yung ministry natin, especially dito sa ministry ko, ng music ministry. And try mo ang gifts ni Lord na binigay sa iyo and share it and you find it fulfilling.
My name is Harold P. Calagame, and the reason why I wanted to start playing guitar is because I found it very interesting. Like, I wanted to always play an instrument since I was a child. And the reason why I joined this youth is because I wanted to learn music theory and composing. Even though it's not my dream job, I wanted to be a hobby.
My name is Cal Galvez, and the reason why I wanted to join this youth is because my grandmother actually invited me. She heard about the announcement and she said that I should join because I just got back into learning guitar, because I wanted to learn guitar as a kid but I stopped because I lost motivation. But now since I would be learning with other people as well, I feel like it would be a much more better environment for me to cultivate my skills and improve them in guitar and also music theory.
Ko 8 years old. Gaskwila ako sa Madalagan Elementary School. Kag ay kusubong sa St. Joseph Chapel. Daistara ko sa Barangay Madalagan Elementary School. Kag nangamianggid ko sa gitara.
I'm interested in playing guitar.
Thanks again for watching. Pasensya na po. Medyo maingay kasi patuloy yung expansion na construction na ginagawa dito sa aming harap ng church namin. And I hope more and more young people na gusto mag-learn ng musical instruments, busy ba? Siguro makalaan naman tayo ng time para sa ating church, para kay Lord, at para sa mga people ni Lord. I hope na maka-find time tayo to serve sa mga church natin. And again, saan ka ba magaling? Saan bang ministry na gusto mo? Sa reader, liturgy committee, or lay ministers, or altar boys, or collectors, or any other form and music ministry, gaya ng youth ministry. We can find time and give it back to the Lord, all the blessings na binigay niya sa atin. Again, salamat sa lahat, and God and grace be with you all.